JDCap26 here, just doing tips and repairs and hobbies. Nice to see you girls and guys here today. I thank you for watching and subscribing and giving me the thumbs up. This is the new airbrush holder I got in the mail because I broke my old one. And I really like this design. This is why I'm showing it to you. It comes to you with a clamp. You can clamp it on the table. Okay, it also comes to you with an airbrush attachment where you can put it on your actual gauge of your tank, air tank. And what I like about this is you undo this and this pulls out. That's great. I was hoping for that. And you got two screws here to attach it to this. You can also attach it like this, put that in there and attach it. Not sure how it goes, but anyway, I'm not going to use these two parts. These two parts are going to go to the side, like over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put double-sided tape and stick it on the base of my paint cabinet that a good friend made for me, and that's how I'm going to mount it. I'll show you that afterwards how it looks, so stay tuned. I'll show you. I put two pieces of double-sided tape here, and you got to peel it off. So I just put it down with the double-sided tape and put the airbrushes back in. What happened was the old one, I bumped into it with the chair and they snapped. So hey, for 12 bucks, this is a great setup. I highly recommend it. So thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Have a great day and stay safe.